This is how it looks like when they're building something. Ain't that something? Look at that. Today we're going to show you how to use the local transportation. But the main goal is to go to the metro car. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be going Uber, then a train, then 2 metro cars. Then we're going to go get to Park RV. But yeah, come along and we'll show you how. We'll show you as we figure it out. It's a lot. It's busy over here. We're in Parque Barrio, and it's busy. It's a lot.
It's popping.
They're selling things everywhere. It's a lot.
Yeah. So now we got to figure out where to get our little car there so we can catch the train. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.
That's true. We'll see.
You know how I am with this height, so we swinging. We swinging in this little thing. I ain't gonna lie, but it's fun, though.
It's so convenient. We got here. Every time we kept saying it was taking us forever to move around. This took us like 2 seconds to get to the other side of the mountain. Like 2 seconds.
I know. When it like we're just going higher and higher.
I know, because Park RV is at the top here. Pretty cool. Oh my god. It's nerve-wracking. The scariest part is whenever you're coming into the what's that thing called? The port for the cable car. It swings a lot. That's what gets nerve-wracking. But I think it's also nerve-wracking because it's our first time. You know? It's crazy. You're in people's house. I'm in their backyard. Like this ain't no joke. This is phenomenal. This girl is just resilient. Look at her, just looking down, just yeah. This is where it gets nerve-wracking until we start shaking. I need to brace myself. The second you get off of the cable car, you go to the other side, and we're gonna get on even more cable car to go to the very top. Okay, so whenever you got off the initial cable car, you just walk a little bit off, and then there'll be another line to put on the cable car, and that's how you go to Parque RV. And you have, it's pretty much 11,000 per person to go up. 11,150 somewhere there. So you pay that per person to go up, and then the same price to go back down. Still not bad though. And we are overwhelmed. Talk about. I'll tell you how we're really feeling. We over here like, oh my God, we glad we did it because this was a little nerve-wracking. Because it's new and it's on a cable car on a mountain. You just want to give yourself a big old pat on the back, don't you?
I gotta make it up there first.
Highly recommended so far.
Yes.
I think it's an experience. Mm-hmm. It's definitely an experience. And if you're scared of heights, give advice to people who are scared of heights, Mr. Heights.
Just don't think about it. Just do it. So I can say, just do it. Cause we high. We're pretty darn high. I mean, look down.
And it's crazy. People just living their best life up here. Look at the cars all the way at the top of the mountain. Go ahead. We can at least say we went to the Colombian Amazon. We went for real, right? We in the hardcore Amazon. Homie, you in the Amazon. Look at that. Just mountain on mountain. I guess it's how it is. Seeing these mountains and now being on top of it. Look how big them trees are. They're very skinny little things. But we almost to our destination. It's exciting. Nerve-wracking. Mind-blowing.
I'm mind-blowing.
Huh?
I said, mind-blowing. You're far.
You said you're... And to go to Park RV, I know I'm saying it wrong. It's really far, but it's understandable because it is a very tall mountain. It's so worth it. Just even out the cable car itself is so worth it. Even if you're scared of heights, still do it. Find a way to overcome it. You're inside a little bubble, so you're fine. If you can get on a plane, you can get on this. I feel like that's how it feels. Because you're in a bubble. Do it. It's an experience. It really is. You're about to marry. That's an empanada de paisho. 7. It's 7. Let's see. It's a big old empanada right there. It looks like it's bean, rice, plantain, and a sausage. Empanada. You just see them just keep moving constantly. These are one getting souvenirs out here. She may not remember what's going on, but you have souvenirs. I'm telling you, every single country when she gets a souvenir. Hardcore hiking. site could be between the time of 1000 AD or when the Spaniards came. Oh, you're gonna eat your new bracelet.
So I guess we made it, pretty much.
Okay.
No, the back part too.
Oh, I don't know.
So we're just taking a little break, feeding this thing. Mighty grumpy.
Is that grumpy or just trying to talk?
He's trying to talk.
She's trying to talk to y'all.
So, yeah.
The line to get out of here. I guess because it's getting late, so everybody line up. It's raining a lot, and so we all sitting ducks until the rain goes off. So we'll see how that one goes. I don't know what this is called, but it's caramel, coconut, and peanuts. Let's see if it's good or not. Okay, tell me.
It's proper.
Oh, and I forgot I had condensed milk. Drizzled.
Pues te imaginas, qué elegancia.
Elegancia, esa
Sí.
cosa que hacemos.
We were up there, stuck up there for an hour because it was raining somewhere down here, and it was actually pretty fast to come down. It's super cloudy. What else was I gonna say? But it wasn't bad. We were able to see the city in the daytime and nighttime, and that's exactly what we wanted to do. We over here by Parque Berrio. I would say this is not the place to go by yourself.
Yep.
Because we just saw some needles on the ground. Needles on the ground.
It's a lot of drug addicts.
A lot of
There's
drug-
people to kind of look out for. this
Yeah.
time of night.
Just be careful if you go here by yourself. But you may need to go there for the train. But on that note.
So yeah, it was fun riding the rail cart. Now we're about to get ready to go to the store because we need some more food.
If you want, you can to go to Poblado.
What's going on, my people? Just made it back from
Parque, the store.
well, and that too.
And Parque RV.
Yeah. So
Yeah. We're to go to Parque RV. We ended up. Our first station that we arrived was Parque Berrio, I believe so. Yeah. Whenever we arrived, we were like, yeah, it's a lot. No, it's. How can I put it like this? Our Uber driver was like,
yeah, it's a lot at nighttime. Like
let's explain what a lot means because people are gonna want to know what a lot means. Our Uber driver was like, why were you guys at that station at this time? That place is is not safe for you guys.
Yeah.
And we were like, well, that's kind of what our Uber did because that's how we ended up traveling. We've been using Google Maps, the little train thing, and that's how we were able to maneuver this time around here. It worked.
Well, anyway, the only reason why we was there so late is because the train was
The cable car.
the cable car. It was delayed because of the weather.
Oh yeah, it was raining.
So we was waiting for about an hour or so for it to start back up. So that kind of put us behind a little bit. But at the same time, maybe we should, start our day a little bit earlier.
Yeah. And chose a different station to start with. Like the main station. Because whenever we were saying it's a lot, it was just a lot of people selling stuff, people just sitting around, a lot of homeless people. And even when we were leaving, especially at night, there wasn't that many people other than
junkies.
The junkies. We even saw like a needle on the ground. But it's just, it's a little bit better in the daytime. Yeah. No go at night. Yeah. I mean, nothing happened to us. We were fine. Nobody bothered us or anything. We had a fine experience. But you never know how it could be for the next person. The reviews are what they really mean. Like,
yeah, that is true.
The reviews for that place is legit that. But yeah.
That's so true.
But we made it home. And we done for the night.
It's a done deal.
All right. Subscribe to the channel so you can see the world with us. On that note, buenas noches.
Hello.